there anything?
Oh my god! Who's that? What is it, guys? This is Nuts here, and we are at a just a construction site. Well, this is the construction site. Oh, it kind of is, but if you point the camera that way, that is like down that way.
Yeah, this is like some of the dirt though. Wait. Show me sliding down it. It's cool.
All right.
Oh shoot, I forgot about that.
Are you ready?
But you have to be over there.
Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna blur out his face, I guess. Yeah. Yep. Wait, hold on. I'm not ready. I don't know why I said yeah. Alright, here we go. Yep. Nice. It's so cold though.
Here, let me do your film. You doing it?
If you could tell, it's raining.
Yeah, it's raining. Go.
Oh, that's cold.
Yeah, it's fun though, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Oh, we did that when it was not raining. It was so much more fun because it wasn't freezing.
Alright, remember, those are my
Wait,
face. I started screaming.
I hear trucks over there.
Yeah. Last time we came here, which is like maybe like.
It was Sunday. It was a Sunday, and
It was like.
construction sites. No one works at construction sites on Sundays.
So this is Saturday, guys. So, oh, this is the when. We're probably. I probably gonna post it tomorrow, maybe.
Yeah,
Saturday.
Sunday.
Oh, these signs.
What are you doing? No smoke. Phone. Gotta keep constantly wiping the phone. What?
What?
Oh yeah, I don't remember that.
Alright, let's go this way first. That way's
The
construction.
well, this might also just like a different part.
Yeah.
Wait, you hear that though?
I hear cars.
Trucks.
Like big cars.
Yeah, and trucks and stuff.
Oh my god.
I think it's coming down the road.
If we do, we book it that way.
Where?
Wait, didn't we already had like a plan? Like,
Book it back.
yeah.
Last time we went here, we didn't film because both of our phones were dead.
Like really were.
Yeah, and
Actually, I don't really know actually.
yeah, they were, and it was like close. It was pretty much nighttime. You couldn't see anything. We went here. We just explored it right here, right after it was after the safe video. Where
Yeah,
we
actually,
opened
yeah, it was.
the safe. We saw like that green tarp and we just went back there. And then,
Right there.
yeah.
Hey.
And then we went up here and found this whole construction
Let's go this
site.
one first.
No, we can't keep taking cuts.
Fine.
We gotta like
let's just keep on this one.
focus on
Because
one.
we know that if we just go straight, we'll
Yeah.
always go back. So, tarp.
That looks like a cool place to build a fort in there,
Tarp right there. So.
doesn't it?
It kind of looks like. Hear that?
You hear that?
I hear a train. Like a. Wait. More mountains.
Dude, this is the back of the hill. The hill that we climbed up.
And we never went. We never went on the other side. Alright.
Go, dude.
Oh, what?
You hear that? It sounds like a truck is coming.
Keep going. Bro, if it just.
No. I think we should go to show them the actual construction site first.
I know, but when you like. This is
We
really.
haven't showed that to them.
I
Yeah,
know.
this is new to them, the construction site.
To us.
Want to check what's over?
Fine. This is gonna be a beautiful view, though. Not a beautiful view, but awesome view.
Oh, shoot.
Let's go. But what do you see? We can see the construction workers over the hill. Guys, this is like a huge.
Be quiet, dog. Be quiet.
A huge push. Okay, it's like a cliff, guys.
What do you think they're building now?
They're not building anything.
They're clearing?
They're extracting dirt and sand.
Dude, it could be one of those gold mines. Because there's one of those giant.
No, that thing I was talking about, the thing that I said that was
The thing that we
clearing dirt and like that big metal thing.
Yeah.
Like getting the sand or the dirt or the rocks out of the dirt. I was right. I asked Chap said that. About it. And he said, yeah, that is. Yes, that is.
Here it is. Oh.
Guys, hold on. You remember that construction site we explored? What if this is where they're getting all this stuff?
You hear that though?
That's pretty.
That is. Oh, dude.
No, it's not. This is a completely different place.
Can you see?
Completely different place.
Can you see up it?
Yeah.
What is it?
No, bro. No. We'll find this place later. Let's go back down. Go that way.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
No, that way.
No. We should show the construction site.
You gotta explore everything.
Yeah.
What's the point? We already are going this way. What's the point of going back just to come back? Let's just get this place over with.
You're actually posting this, right?
Yes, I actually am posting this.
Because we filmed like 3 videos that we didn't post.
And we just trashed them through the bat.
We have so many trash videos. You know, one of these days we should make like a trash video compilation.
I don't have any of those videos, like originally.
Oh. Well, can you get them in the delete?
No.
The
I
delete
most
thing?
of them a long time ago. They would be completely unedited if I did.
It just
Overview
ends here.
It, see if like you can cut anything out, like faces. I'll do that, but everything else will be uncut. There'll be cuts like when we.
Dude, if only we had the waterproof camera. So basically, for his birthday, we're the same age now. Now we're both 13. He was 12 before. But for his birthday, he got an underwater camera. I forgot what it's called. Like, what was it? Polaroid?
Yeah, it's Polaroid. It was an IG-92.
Yeah, but
it's the microphone.
he didn't bring it because we walked from school and
we walked to school
and then he just ended up coming over my house. This is really wet here. It's like a swamp.
Yeah, we should probably go. There's a field over there actually.
Sorry?
What's
Well, I mean, we're already soaked. What's the worst that could happen? We slip and get more wet. Like, we're already soaked.
You always go first, right? You don't show me.
You hear that?
Secret. Well, what the?
That is a cool looking place. I heard something that way.
I heard like a horn.
Wait. Quiet, just be quiet for a second.
Anybody who actually still watches these videos, because we lost a bunch of views, please, like, I don't know, tell your friend about us so we can actually get our views up.
Yeah, we were at 2
subscribers.
At our highest peak, we were at 2.4 thousand views.
I don't know. Probably
then,
nobody who's still here for this, so that was there for this happened. But we said 100 subscribers will go up on the 100 trail.
At night.
Yeah, so if you want to see that, and anybody's still there, or you still...
We're really close to 100 subscribers. We're at 90, right?
I don't know. And if you like, or if you're new and you still want to see the haunted trail,
dude.
We're not. Oh, wait, are we?
There's a truck coming. We gotta go. Let's go back to the construction site, the main place.
Oh no, let's go back. Let's go. Yeah, hold on.
I'm pointing it down. Oh shit! Just walked through a tree.
So yesterday, we went on the haunted trail, and we tried to go to a different a different way, and we found like this wooden wall.
Oh yeah.
And we saw this makeshift little hut, the cover of it, and we And I see a homeless man before, like sleeping in like one of those kind of things. So I was like, and that's when I first thought of the homeless man like in the road sleeping there. You know? So we went there and we peered in. He saw something move.
I threw a bucket.
No, he was carrying a bucket, and he threw it and ran like above the tarp.
And then after we heard footsteps running at
We were
us.
like yelling too.
Yeah.
You really don't believe us.
We could. No, once we get home.
We can just show you.
I want to get a haircut, and then we can go.
We're gonna show you the hut. We're actually gonna do like next to what you did this. And that's actual danger. Like really dangerous. Because we never like actually. I mean, we have not like in person. We haven't experienced anybody in person. And dangerous. And like other channel times. But that's just how you know this is real. Because we would have a bunch of people here to like as actors or whatever, if we wanted to do that. There's definitely something on this road. Beautiful. Section. You're still going the other trail though. Don't hold too far. Don't get lost. Fuck. Bro, I thought that
Cool this way.
I thought the person didn't work on Saturday for weekend. I think we're good actually. That might just be the road.
Yeah, but the road's pretty far from here. Actually, the road's like very far from here. Unless that's like a diesel, super loud truck.
We're just finding other things right now.
Dude, what if they weren't here before? They're just getting here to start working.
That would be kind of crazy. Like, no, we're in the site and we're seeing it coming in. Alright, it came out perfect.
We gotta leave if that happens. Huh?
We're not just gonna cut off. We're not gonna show things just because it's gonna be, it might be a waste of time. We're showing everything. We're true explorers.
Yeah, but this how long is this video gonna be? Like 30 minutes?
Probably 40. Oh, it's gonna be 40 on
Already been recording for 11 minutes, so.
Yeah, it's gonna be. This one is maybe. It's either gonna be an hour or like 45 minutes.
Unedited.
Yeah.
Edited like 30.
Not even
20.
40.
40?
Yes. I don't cut out that much.
What?
I don't cut out that much. I just think.
Yeah, me too.
That might have just been a bird.
It's raining harder. Way harder.
We're on the streets. How is that?
No, it's starting to rain harder. Feel that? Hear that?
My hands kind of
Hands?
Alright, yeah. I was having doubts. I think watching a trail, but that's what it is.
I think we should turn back. There's nothing much here.
You don't know that.
Here's the end.
I hear like, listen.
Oh, dude, that is.
That's it. So,
Holy.
so far, I don't have to do much editing.
My phone's gonna break in my pocket.
I don't like
It's getting
editing.
soaked, dude. I hear this weird wind noise when I walk. Like in my ears. It hurts.
Yeah, it's called the wind.
No. Like,
I hear it too.
it hurts a lot.
Like stinging.
Yeah.
It's just cold air. And your ears are already cold from the wind. Or the rain, so it's cold wind, so it hurts. Good nerves.
I can hear like way worse.
I don't know, there's nothing wrong with me. I can my ears always pop. It's really annoying. When I think I can hear super well, my ears pop and like, oh my god.
Alright. Something happens, we run this way.
Yeah. Okay, that sounds like a... Is that different? That looks different.
No, it's not different. Why does it sound like there's like a Dodge? At a Dodge Ram at a construction site.
Let's go that way. That's the road. The road's that way.
What's a Dodge Ram doing here?
So now we're actually gonna get to the actual campsite. Construction site. We might come back to that other trailer we saw. I don't think we saw that last time. I don't know. Let's go for that way.
I hear a truck.
Was that
See
there?
that?
That was not there last time.
Oh,
That was no. Those piles of concrete, whatever that is, blacktop, was not there. Another first step. Wait.
What?
We were making this road.
actually, that's gonna be a road?
Wasn't this dirt before?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that was.
Oh, I know.
Wait, I don't even remember that road being there before.
No, it was. I know that was. Oh.
Wait, but here's the place we were just at where I like still done the thing. The kid. It's not zoomed.
Oh, let me see.
The camera has stuff on it.
I have to.
Alright. Camera should be. You say sandal?
What?
Never mind. You'll hear when I set the camera up. Then you're gonna be like, what?
Didn't you say like sandal? I heard sandals.
No.
You're talking about sandals.
No. Oh, it's a plane.
That's not like the plane.
Yeah, it is. Dude, I get so scared every time I hear a car.
So fucking scared.
Yeah, what are we doing? What's the worst that's
If you
gonna
want to start
happen?
running, give me the phone.
What's the worst that's gonna happen, dude? They call the cops on us.
Like actually,
We get kicked out. Like,
you start running, give me the phone. Like, I'm not gonna run. That's fine, because I don't get as scared. Anyway.
gunshots.
I think it would. For the sun.
What are the gunshots?
Oh yeah, you can see the
Yeah, there's a shooting range near here.
holders.
There's a shooting range near here anyways. Here's a...
Wait, you not sure that?
No.
Well, I thought we were seeing railroads for those.
I think we were on less alert last time because it was Sunday and they don't work on Sundays.
You don't know. I don't think they work on Saturdays either.
So what are all those truck noises?
I think that's just the way
Yeah, but that sounds like construction.
it works. Look at it. There's nobody here. It's really insane.
You almost died when we were climbing that. Like a rock, a big boulder, like fell in my foot, but it didn't hit my ankle, so I was good. It just hurt a lot. There's definitely a shooting range or something over there. Why'd you make that face? Oh, that's the thing that, like I threw a rock at and ran. What? Oh yeah, that is definitely new.
Those piping over there, guys. In that piping on that concrete. And there was I think it was,
Oh, those pipes weren't on there.
yeah, you just said that.
That's the corner where. Actually, never mind. Hold the phone, dude. Don't point at me. I gotta go to the bathroom.
That's how we peed last time. Alright, I'm gonna go somewhere.
Oh, this is.
But yeah, let's go see what this is, guys. Nice. Yeah, all this stuff was here before, but this definitely wasn't. Pretty good. Oh my God, the screen. Oh, I'm going to the camera. The screen is horribly wet. Hold on, guys. Camera's good too. Oh my god, it's so bad. Oh god. Oh oh that's. Oh god. Oh god. I just did so much mud. And I think I just showed my face. I don't know. Nothing. I need some grass or water.
Dude, I don't think that path is there before.
What, that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, we went up that one. That's where we saw the plane, and that's where I saw something peek over that rock.
What are you doing?
Cleaning my shoes. I guess it's not really working, but
What happened?
I just stuck in a bunch of mud. There's a bunch of mud over there.
Oh. Just clean it when business.
But I think we should go. There's really nothing new here, but let's just.
I think it's in a different spot.
I'm just gonna do a full 360 of everything, and then we're gonna go to that trail that we saw when we went on top of that mountain. You stay facing that way. Nice. All right. Hear that? Yep. All right. Come on.
Can I see the camera for a second?
No, you just have it. We're gonna go back. We're gonna go back to the other trail.
Dude,
What?
last time we kept seeing like someone peek over those rocks right there.
I'm gonna do something.
What?
Remember I heard about like last row?
Yeah.
That actually took.
And like someone was peeking. It looked like someone was peeking above those rocks last time.
Bro, I should have sprayed that waterproof stuff.
On your
I have
shoes?
one, yeah.
Why?
I had that stuff. It's for your shoes.
Oh. Why didn't you put it on your shoes?
I don't have it anymore. It's at my house.
I know, but why didn't when you were at your house? Why didn't you?
I don't know. I just decided not to. I should have bought it. Right. We're on the road. Let's go.
Wait. I want to show the place where they like made an avalanche of the sand.
I don't remember that.
Here. Come here. Remember that big pile of dirt and sand? I hit it with the crowbar. And we like climbed up it. Oh wait. You'll know once we get over there.
Whoa.
That was super close. You hear yelling too? Yeah.
Why are they shooting like that?
Cause they're probably practicing.
Imagine that's more code.
Help me. Gun edition.
Help me. That's a weapon. That's what I think it is.
Wait, what? Oh, it's over there. Dude, it's gone. Remember, there's a giant hill mound over here.
No.
And we like...
Wait, actually. Oh, wait a minute.
You know what? Oh!
This was that.
Right there.
Alright, actually, let's do it actually. We do have other trails, but we were on that right there, guys.
Where?
Right there. That's where you're looking over.
Actually,
Yeah, pretty sure.
that's like we made like an avalanche of sand and dirt. Wait, I want to try to do it again.
I don't know. There's no point. Why? It's cool. It's freezing out here. My hands are. It's not that cold. It's just not rain. Freezing rain. God, it looks like you're so far away. I know. There's no point.
Dude,
Let's go.
we're gonna get like hyperthermia or something. This rain is so cold.
It's not that cold.
Just people have been here recently. Tire tracks.
Yeah,
There was a bigger pile here. They used this dirt.
Or just well, my shoes. These are shoes, though.
What do we have to do to make these videos? Ruin all our clothes. Like, it's like my favorite outfit right
I know.
here.
We have to have like a 20-minute bike ride.
Nah, more like 30 minutes. Oh shit!
Oh shit!
We did the same thing.
I didn't think of a rock. So do it like that.
Hear that ringing?
No, I don't.
I heard ringing.
I wonder why.
Like that way.
Raining.
Ringing!
Oh, ringing. I was like raining. Oh yeah, I remember this.
There was nothing down here though when we went down.
Yeah.
It's just a waste of time. Because last time we went down there,
I-
there's literally
There's
nothing.
one place we haven't gone.
Just a dead end.
There's
Where?
one place- Remember that gate? Like that way? It goes up the hill.
Oh yeah.
That's the only place we haven't been, guys. Well, other than that, other place we didn't see before.
I think there was tarps over those before. Or those just weren't there. One of those two.
They still have to shake all this dirt, sift all this dirt out of this.
How long ago did we make that safe video?
What?
How long ago did we make that safe video?
Probably like 2 months ago.
It's been 2 months since we've been here. There was literally snow and ice when we were here last time.
Hey guys, shout out to the library. Go to YouTube.
I'm gonna cut that out. Why? There's no reason to say it.
Yeah, there's.
What
There's no
is the
reason not
point?
to.
No, what's the point of a little tiny
What's the point
YouTube
not to?
channel
What's
that
the point not to?
it's just it does nothing for him. It does nothing
I'm
for
just
us.
saying that he's a good YouTuber. I'm not saying that you should go subscribe to him. Well, I mean, you should.
You said shout out.
Yeah, that
To-
doesn't mean that.
That's-
I'm shouting him out. He's a good YouTuber.
Dude, look at the color change in the dirt. Like it's all like green looking and stuff, and it becomes all bright. I don't think that is gonna pick up on camera though. That's kind of weird. Like there's green dirt and then like red dirt. Probably different levels of digging. All right, the camera stopped recording. I think like water hit it
Yeah.
and stopped it.
There's just the stuff back there.
Yep.
There's equipment. But, that's not. Wait, what?
What?
When was that there?
That road?
Yeah.
That's the one we went up. Before we left, remember? We went up there,
Oh,
and then that's when we saw the person peek over there.
Yeah.
Then we ran out.
There's one more that way, though.
This is the way back, too, right? These videos would be so much easier if we had a car. Spending 30 years to get here.
You said you would be back at your house in an hour. And I was like, that's not true. Let me say that.
I said that about 30 minutes ago.
Yeah, but you said you'd be back at the place where we stopped in 30 minutes.
What are you talking about? Like, in recording?
No. Before. Right there, guys.
Let me see this.
I don't think you went this way. I don't remember. Oh, there's a house.
Oh, yeah, that's a house. We shouldn't go.
Let's see what it looks like. Okay.
Yeah, that.
That's it.
Oh, you predicted what I said. I said, did you hear that? After you said, I heard that too. Like, they said it at the same time.
Yeah, I need you to see that. Oh, that's that house, right?
What?
You saw it through the woods? Oh, I saw it through the woods. Wait, what if they're doing something here? Like, I think that house has a similar to this. Like, why would there be a gate here? Like, well, maybe we're gonna find something. That's why they're getting all the rocks out.
Oh yeah. And they have all that cool looking dirt. You wanna try to open that?
Actually, no. Wait, what?
You wanna try to open that?
Why do they have a saw?
For wood.
Where's the wood?
Or that could be like a rock cutting saw.
Really a giant wood.
Gorgeous.
My hands hurt really bad too. There's no lock on it, I think.
Oh, but it's welded.
Actually?
Oh.
Oh.
Well, that's gonna break off.
Let's both try. Guys, we're gonna stop filming so I can actually both do this with both hands, and we'll be back, right?
There's definitely animals in there.
Too bad. Before we do this, all right, guys. So we just went to the front because the back wasn't opening. This is definitely for horses, guys, because this is.
Are you ready?
Yep. 3, 2, 1. No.
Body bag. Let me get my
That's all
flashlight
right.
out.
All right, do it. Is there a bed frame? There's a bed frame in there, guys. Oh my god, you see so much better. Bro, what the? Why? There's a bed frame there.
Dude, wait.
Right there, guys.
Is this like a body bag?
No. No, it's just like a bunch of. What's over there? It's like someone's moving.
Show down there.
Bro, this is someone's moving truck. It looks like one. Wait, what does this say? Guys, all right, guys. If you want to do this, we're gonna do it anyways too. But look up what this is, all right? And say what kind of company this is in the comments. I want to see more of this. This is like completely abandoned. You couldn't even get in here anyways, other than like jump, like breaking and shit. This is someone's moving. Want me to launch you up? No, this is someone's abandoned.
We can definitely do that.
This is someone's abandoned moving truck, and this is gonna move further. Wish I could.
Oh, dude, I can get in there.
I think we can open this.
Can I go in there?
Sure, go ahead. I'm gonna try to open this. All right, guys. So the crowbar.
Dude, we should have brought the crowbar.
Let's go get it. All right. I'm gonna go. You keep going. I'm gonna
Keep going with what?
this. I'm gonna get it.
I make you come back. Here, be fast, all right? Something happens, just scream. Okay? All right, what should I do? Oh, there's a bird up there. It scared me. I think there's someone back there, hiding behind my dresser. Doesn't it? What's the bags? What's in there? Hold up. If that's what I think it is, that's not good. I like gets brighter when I zoom in. I hear a truck. And a gunshot. I'm going. Dude! I'm not. Like a truck drove by and then I heard a gunshot.
You heard a truck run by?
Yeah. It sounded super close, dude.
Alright, remember the codes. Code yellow, people. Code red, just danger. Code blue.
there's the house right there.
I think if you ever come back here, something's gonna happen to do with that house. I think whatever they're doing here, I think it's related to that house.
Or that. Actually, I don't know. Oh, that was scary, dude. I heard a truck, like very, very close. And then a gunshot. It's on camera.
I didn't hear it.
What?
I didn't hear it.
How did you not hear it?
I don't know. I was running. I couldn't hear it.
More gunshots. There's 100% a shooting range. Dude, in the title, put like, what's it called? The curve thing called?
I don't know.
And then like the dot that you push when you mess up, and then said gunshots. And put gunshots. Yeah.
Oh.
Cut this out.
Exploration gone wrong.
Gunshot.
Gunshot heard. All right. I'll just hear a scream again. I'll just leave that in.
Here, wait. You hold it. I'll shut it.
All right, fine.
Just put that down right there.
All right, I'm showing you, so just don't turn around. This is definitely gonna work.
Nah.
No, because you're not trying to pry open the right thing. Told ya.
Oh.
She thinks contractor sexy.
Oh, it's so hard.
All right, we can pull this up now. Together. All right, we're
Holy crap.
gonna pull this up, guys, and we'll be right back.
Oh, I thought it was open on the front.
Oh, I'm still filming. Okay, guys, we're back. That's like a hole.
Wood stove, pellet stove looking thing. Yeah, wood stove. Like stove, anything, I don't know. Alright, we go in here and then we're leaving, okay?
Yep.
Are we closing the door?
No. Bro,
No, we close the door.
What's this? A little.
Shh, holy. There's carpet here. What if someone comes and just like shuts the door on us?
Wait a minute. What if they're making a new house and this thing would stuff?
No, this is old stuff. Dude, I don't have a good feeling about this.
Oh, that's good idea.
One class, last show.
I really wish not.
What? What?
Let's try this again.
Alright, last show of the whole place.
Alright, I'm gonna say this really quietly. If anybody's actually right now, like listening, and you hear us right now, do not take anything. Right?
And we mean no harm.
Let's just shut this. We're just like
Grab something and we run. Like
Actually?
crowbar, I meant. Like grab the
Oh, I think
Hammer.
we should take one thing.
No.
I'll take one thing. I'll be right back.
Hurry up. This should be the title, us showing this.
Alright.
I heard a knock.
Yeah, that's me.
No, like near the house.
There's nothing really cool in here.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, this smells very old. Those are shoes.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, I'm just gonna take.
The mallet. The mallet looks too new, actually.
Let's do this with me.
I heard a door. We gotta go.
Can you leave it open?
No, just slam it. Let me do it. Alright, we grab the mallet. Run. Don't shoot your leg in.
I know. Oh, God damn it. Let's go. Alright, guys. We're on the video here. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to check back in. Leave like 3 months for another video update. So yeah. Right or not?
Run in here. Because we can. Bye.
You can stay actually. Alright, listen guys, this is water slip. So this is water slip to the construction site.
We're on our way back in this schools and buildings.
So right there. Sorry for the fog, guys. Like how foggy it is. It's just the water. It won't stay like that. It's just how you say it.
Well, someone like drives by and just steals our bikes.
Then I don't know.
Yeah, I've seen it in a super long video.
This one? Yeah, oh, it's... Yeah. I don't know if this is abandoned or not.
No, those people, I think those people right there on it.
Yeah. Maybe we shouldn't be in that view then.
Here, let me see.
It's not, I'm gonna go.
There's a mailbox right there.
Yeah, I saw that.
Dude, there's a car.
Serious? Oh, what is it? There's a bad car? Let me see. Hold on. Carefully. Let me see. I can see with the front. Oh. Wow. I have to see that from the back. I have to see this from the back. Because this is probably such a good car. It looks nice from the back, so. Let's see what this car is. If it still has the oh, that's the tire probably to it. That looks like a nice tower. Is that a nice tire?
There's 4 tires back here.
Oh, makes sense.
This is collapsed. This whole thing.
All right, guys, it's time to see what's on the back. Someone's outside the house. Those cars. Wait, that house?
Yeah. Oh, I hear things now. Someone opened the door.
Here.
Dude, someone's peeking through the door.
Let's just. All right, guys.
Car's coming.
All right, that's the car, guys. That's everything. All right, let's get out of here. All right, guys, that's the bonus clip. So this is the actual bike clip. So, see you in the next one.